Welcome to Magic Rainbow. Here, the first part provides you the concept of solar system. Solar system consists of the sun and everything that travels around the sun. This includes planets, their moons, dwarf planets, and countless other objects. So here, first we will discuss about planets. Are you ready? Alright. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now we will go through the scientific facts about these planets. First one is Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Also, it is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is one of the rocky planets like Venus, Earth, and Mars. It completes one revolution around the sun in just 88 days. Mercury has a slow spin. It takes 59 Earth days to make one full rotation. One day on Mercury is 59 Earth days. A year on Mercury is 88 Earth days. Average surface temperature of Mercury is minus 173 to 427 degrees Celsius. Venus is Mercury's neighboring planet. Mercury doesn't have any moons, no atmosphere as well. This is all about Mercury. So here comes Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is one of the brightest objects in the sky. Venus can be seen easily without a telescope. Venus spins in the opposite direction of Earth and most other planets. Interesting fact is that a day on Venus is little longer than a year on Venus. That's because Venus spins very slow. It takes 243 Earth days. That's quite long. A year on Venus is 225 Earth days. That means it takes 225 Earth days for Venus to go all the way around the Sun. Venus doesn't have any moons. Average surface temperature of Venus is 462 degrees Celsius. Neighboring planets of Venus are Mercury and Earth. These are the scientific facts about Mercury. Here comes Earth. Our Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet with non-life. Earth has a solid and active surface with mountains, valleys, canyons, plains, and much more. Earth is an ocean planet. 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. In that 70%, only 3% of the water of Earth is fresh. Rest 97% is salted. Earth has only one moon. It is the only planet to have single moon. One day on Earth is 24 hours. 1 year on Earth is 365.25 days. That means every 4 years we need to add one extra day, that is 0.25 into 4 to our calendar. We call it a leap day in a leap year. Average surface temperature of Earth is minus 88 to 58 degrees Celsius. Venus and Mars are Earth's neighboring planets. So these are the facts about Earth. Now we move on to the next planet, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is called the red planet. It is red because of rusty iron in the ground. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is only half the size of Earth. Also, planet Mars is a cold desert world. Mars is a terrestrial planet. It's small and rocky. A day on Mars is 24.6 hours. It's almost same as a day on Earth. 1 year on Mars is 687 Earth days. It takes 687 Earth days for Mars to go all the way around the Sun. Mars has 2 moons. Their names are Phobos and Deimos. Average surface temperature of Mars is minus 87 to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Earth and Jupiter are Mars' neighboring planets. One more interesting fact is that if you weigh 100 kg on Earth, on Mars your weight would be 38 kg only. That means our weight is not the issue. Actual issue is we are staying in the wrong planet. And this is all about Mars. Here comes Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. It's the biggest planet in the solar system. It's similar to a star, but not big enough to start burning. Jupiter is a gas giant. It is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has rings like Saturn. But in Jupiter's case, those rings are hard to see. Jupiter's atmosphere is the largest planetary atmosphere in the solar system. Jupiter has 79 confirmed moons. A day on Jupiter is just 10 hours. 1 year on Jupiter is 11.8 Earth years. It's quite long compared to its short days. Average surface temperature of Jupiter is minus 108 degrees Celsius. Mars and Saturn are Jupiter's neighboring planets. These are the scientific facts about Jupiter. Here comes Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It's the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is a gas giant like Jupiter. Mostly it is made of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has the largest planetary rings in the solar system. It has 7 main rings. These rings are made of pieces of ice and rocks. Saturn has 53 moons. One day on Saturn is 10.7 Earth hours. 1 year on Saturn is 29 Earth years. Average surface temperature of Saturn is minus 139 degrees Celsius. Jupiter and Uranus are Saturn's neighboring planets. This is all about planet Saturn. Next is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Methane gas in the atmosphere makes Uranus blue. Uranus is an ice giant. It's mostly made of flowing icy materials above a solid core. Uranus has 13 faint rings. Inner rings are narrow and dark. Outer rings are brightly colored and visible. Unlike other planets, Uranus rotates on its side. Like planet Venus, Uranus also spins in the opposite direction. One day on Uranus is exactly 17.4 hours. 1 year on Uranus is 84 Earth years. Uranus has 27 non-moons. Average surface temperature of Uranus is minus 197 degrees Celsius. Saturn and Neptune are Uranus' neighboring planets. So these are the scientific facts about Uranus. Here comes Neptune. Neptune is the last and most distant planet in the solar system. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. It's dark, cold, and very windy. Neptune is very similar to Uranus. Methane on Neptune gives blue color to Neptune. Neptune is also an ice giant like Uranus. A day on Neptune is 16 Earth hours. 1 year on Neptune is 165 Earth years. That means Neptune takes 165 years to go around the Sun once. That's a long year. Neptune has 14 moons. Average surface temperature of Neptune is minus 201 degrees Celsius. Neptune is the last planet from the Sun, so Uranus is Neptune's only neighboring planet. So these are the important facts about Neptune. I'll give you a list of 5 dwarf planets. Okay. We will discuss more about dwarf planets in a separate video. Bye for now. Continue your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and give your comments as well. Stay happy.